video, and today we will be ranking my Chanel Coco Mademoiselle. I have 4 in my collection, so I will be ranking these fragrances to my least worn up to my most worn fragrance. This is a 50ml bottle of the EDT. This is a lighter version of the original. So this is Coco Mademoiselle. We have notes of orange, bergamot, we have grapefruit, we have lychee, rose, jasmine, we have patchouli, musk, vetiver and vanilla. Now this fragrance, I find it to be extremely green on my skin. For some reason the dry down on this version is so much stronger to me compared to the original. I think I get more of the vetiver or the patchouli. I think it's more vetiver. And this one is my, it doesn't appear to be that way, does it? But I hardly wear this fragrance. So I'm ranking this one at number 4. In at number 3, I am ranking my Coco Noir in at number 3 because this fragrance is stunning. It's beautiful. This is like my sexy date night, evening, winter. It suits that season so well. It is stunning, it's sexy, it's bold, it's alluring. But I'm ranking this number 3 only because I don't wear it as often. I have so many fragrances that are designed, in my opinion, that's suitable more for the evening wear, and this one I love, but this is not a fragrance I always pick up. Coming in at number 2, and this is a very, I love this fragrance. This is my Coco Mademoiselle Intense. This beautiful fragrance is simply stunning. It's gorgeous. You got the jasmine, you've got the rose in here, patchouli, lychee. This has heavy notes of the rose and the jasmine. It's bold and it's just so bright and powerful, and it radiates so well. It's got this sweet, spicy, intense note, but on the dry down it warms up and it becomes more subtle. The intense notes are there, but it's subtle and it's pleasant. It's very spicy and it's quite addictive. I mean, this fragrance is just a well-suited fragrance for the evenings, for date night. It's just a perfect evening scent, or you're going out for cocktails, or you're going somewhere classy and fancy. This is a fragrance I would reach for. Beautiful, stunning fragrance. I love the bottle. I love the color of the juice. It's just so beautiful, and I'm ranking this number 2 out of my Coco Mademoiselle collection. In at number 1 is my original Coco Mademoiselle. This is my favorite fragrance. Now, it was so hard to pick out of the 3. I've got Coco Noir and Coco Mademoiselle Intense, and when I put them all together, this came up at number 1 because I just find this to be timeless. I feel like I can wear this to any occasion. It's so easy to wear this fragrance. I can wear this in the daytime. I could wear this going out for drinks, to a special occasion. You know, I can wear this to a wedding. It's just such a versatile scent, and I just love it. It's girly, it's feminine, it's bright. You've got the citruses in here, you've got notes of grapefruit, you've got bergamot in this fragrance, you have a heart note of lychee and rose, and in the base you have some patchouli and some vetiver, and you've got some green notes in here. It's just so feminine. You cannot go wrong with this fragrance at all. It is powerful, the performance is great. It has a sparkling effervescence to this fragrance, and it just projects femininity and class, and it's a fragrance I absolutely adore so much. I adore this fragrance so much, and this had to come in at my number 1 spot because it is just a fragrance that if I am struggling which I usually do because I have so many fragrances. It's very hard to be decisive when picking a fragrance these days. So if I'm ever in doubt, I would just reach for this one because it just suits all occasions, and you can dress this down, you can dress this up, and it's just such a beautiful perfume to wear. Another thing I love about this fragrance is that even though the heart and the heart of this fragrance is rose and jasmine, you've got the citrus notes that just cut through. You've got the citruses, you've got the fruity green notes in here, the patchouli, it cuts through the rose, and you just get this well balanced fragrance, and just smells like such elegance, and it just smells very refined and classy. It's such a popular fragrance, but you can just see why. I mean, we don't have to go into that. It's just popular for the main reason that it's just a wonderful fragrance, and everyone can see the value in that, making this deemed to be the most popular selling fragrance by Chanel. Darlings, what are your favorite Coco Mademoiselle scents by Chanel? If you were to rank them, what are your top 3 fragrances? I am curious to know. For those of you who are new to my channel, don't forget to like this content if you enjoyed it, and subscribe. And for those of you who are returning, my darlings, welcome back. And make sure you press that notification bell so that you will be alerted that every time I put up a video, you are the first to know. And I would love to see you in the comment section down below. So leave me a message and I'll speak to you very soon. My darlings, have a wonderful day. Bye.